Let me say something that might surprise you. Ads can get you leads, but they're not always what closes your suites. I'm Nikki with Slick Marketers. We've worked with over 300 salon suite locations across North America in the last near 11 years, and I'm here to give you a few wonderful tips that can help you lease up more suites. Yes, ads work. We run them every day on Meta, on Google, and we're trying TikTok. But the highest performing locations do something extra. I know you guys were sold on the semi-absentee business model, but the best landlords combine real ads with community and an in-person connection, because leasing isn't a quick decision. It's emotional, it's financial, it's personal. I can't talk to you about how many times I've actually interviewed with the suite tenants, and they tell me that they leased with XYZ place not because it was the most beautiful, the biggest, or the cheapest. They leased on the salon suite based on the vibes that they got from the particular place they were touring. So the smartest salon suite landlords are hosting educational events. We're talking about Redken technique classes, hands-on training, financial training classes, talking about their taxes. That's what they do extra to make sure that they are helping their salon suite tenants set them up for success. That's the real differentiator. To elaborate a little more, the financial and business training includes pricing, profit, building clientele, marketing, and you're not just no longer a landlord, you're now a partner in their success. Then you layer in perhaps community events, local networking, open houses. Of course, we're here talking about the educational events, but these build something ads cannot do. It builds belonging, it builds trust, and it absolutely drives leases. When you combine them with community, that's when you feel faster to keep your studios full longer. Follow along and we'll keep sharing what actually is working across our 300 plus salon suite locations. Check us out at slickmarketers.com and book a strategy session today.